What the
Yo, window.
Oh, shit. Yo, Marcy is Dunsky. Whoa, man. HowTheFuckShit.com. Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yo, why is Greg fucking up my slide?
I don't know.
No one really. I don't
Just
even
kinda
think.
happened.
I don't even think Meister thing does.
Yeah, put it in the cradle. Cross-save cradle.
This is too much. This is too much right now. I'm too fucked up to be filming this.
Start drinking at 1 o'clock.
Yo, can I say one of those candles?
Yeah, that's a little bit funny shit.
Yeah. Yo, he's going off the bed. They're going on the floor. They're going on the floor in a second. The posters are coming down. Oh,
Meister
man.
Dong?
Someone's gonna die.
Oh, my God.
Wonder who will be.
Whoa.
Don't tip the beer cans.
Don't tip the fucking beers, bitches. Don't tip the beers. Oh shit, here we go. Here we go. Whoa! With the victor, Gregory Rogowski.
Jesus Christ.
Out.
That was a good fight. That was a good
Outski, outski.
fight. I literally almost lost it for 5.
See you guys later.